Tony Stark, billionaire, genius, playboy, philanthropist. But what if he built a car so advanced, so powerful, that even the Batmobile would look outdated? No ordinary V12, no hybrid nonsense. This is pure arc reactor energy, giving infinite power. Acceleration, 0 to 60 faster than a missile launch. Max speed, classified, and oh, this thing, it flies. The design, inspired by his most iconic creation, his suit, red gold nanotech body, adaptive aerodynamics, and a stealth mode that can make it disappear. Just like Stark's sense of responsibility sometimes. Those headlights, not just for show, modeled after the arc reactor, they can cut through the darkness. The rear design, not a simple exhaust. This is a repulsor-powered thruster system. Need to escape at Mach speed? Just hit the Friday protocol and leave your enemies in dust or in flames. It's not just fast, it's a fortress. With Stark-grade shielding, energy deflectors, and even micro-missile launchers, this car doesn't just survive battles, it wins them. This isn't just a car, it's the next evolution of Stark Industries technology. The only question is, if Tony built this, would he ever drive anything else? Would you drive this beast? And which superhero's car should we build next? Let me know in the comments.